For flower pattern I am using crochet hook size 2 mm. Now start with a magic circle, make a knot, work one chain. Now we have to work 12 single crochet. 1 2 3. Now we have completed working 12 single crochet. Join the first and the last one by slip stitch. Now you have to work a puff stitch. Start with 3 chain, yarn over hook in the same chain, pull up a loop, yarn over again. You have to repeat 3 times on the same chain and repeat the same on the next chain. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and work 3 chain. 1 2 3. Now on the same chain you have to work one slip stitch. Now we have completed the first one. For one petal you have to use 2 chains, 3 loops on the first chain and 3 loop on this next chain. For 12 chains you have to work 6 petals and repeat the same for the entire circle. Again start with 3 chain, yarn over. Now in the next chain you have to work 3 times and again work 3 times on the nearby chain. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, make 3 chain and now work one slip stitch. Repeat the same. Now I have completed working 6 petals. Finally make one chain, cut the yarn, now work 3 chain, yarn over, pull a loop from the third chain, again repeat the same 6 more times. Now yarn over hook and pull through all the loop. Now work 3 chain, make a slip stitch into the third chain. Join the ends. You have to use this to the center of the flower. Now we will be sticking this flower to the right side of the bag. If this video was helpful to you, please do like my video, share it and subscribe to my channel, and do turn on the notification near the subscription button to receive all my upcoming videos notifications. Thank you for watching. Please do share it with your friends and family members. Thank you.